Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to take out a Dodge Dart battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear. You'll need a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Before starting, make sure your car is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. This ensures a safe working environment for you and your vehicle. The Dodge Dart battery is typically found on the right side of the engine bay, near the fuse box. Begin by locating the negative terminal, usually marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm socket to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable. Next, proceed to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and disconnect it in the same manner. With the terminals disconnected, your next step is to address the battery's hold-down mechanism. This is typically a clamp or block located at the front base of the battery. Using your 10mm socket and an extension, loosen and remove the bolt securing it. Once the bolt is out, carefully lift away the hold-down block, ensuring it's placed somewhere safe where it won't be lost. Now that the battery is free, carefully lift it out of its tray. These batteries can be heavy, so use proper lifting techniques or ask for assistance if needed. When replacing, remember Dodge Darts often use group size 47/H5 or 48/H6 batteries. Installation is the reverse. Place the new battery, secure the hold down, then connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.